Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing another physics MCQ from May-June 2023, and this is paper 12. And it says that this diagram shows a double-slit interference experiment, and L is a monochromatic light with a vertical filament vertical filament, and B is a barrier which has two slits, and screen S is where the inference fringes form. So it tells us that the intensity I at the point of the screen where the center of the bright fringe forms. Okay, so what does this mean? Imagine if I have two waves which meet together at the central point. This has an intensity I. So we know what type of interference occurs when you have a bright fringe. We know that a constructive interference occurs. So imagine my wave looks like this. This is my L, and then a constructive interference occurs, right? This means like this. So we know the amplitude of, if we take it as one thing as A of the wave L, the amplitude at the central bright fringe must be 2A, since there's constructive interference, there's perfect constructive interference. So we know they will superpose on each other, and the amplitude hence will be 2A. What do we know now? So we know I is equal to 2A. And I has an amplitude of 2A. And how do we know intensity and amplitude are linked? Intensity is directly proportional to amplitude squared. So let's just keep that in our thought. Now, it tells us that when one of the slits is covered, what will be the new intensity? So how can we model this? We can simply remove this line, right? This will mean that there will be one wave at that same point. So that will just have an amplitude of A. So you guys can see what we have to do here, right? So let's take the new amplitude as I1 has an amplitude of A. So we need to see how they relate. So let us do this. So we can set up a proportion table. So A squared over 2A squared. So we can cancel out the A squareds. So we know I1 over I will be 1 over 4. And how do we write this? I1 will be equal to we take that as I, it will be quarter of the previous intensity, hence the correct answer will be option D.